Good morning, students. Now open your mental maths book and open your chapter 1, page 1. So today we will do sets. Now you can see show union of sets. Now students, you can see I have written for you. This is set A and B, and we have to, this is the union of two sets, so A union B, and you can see the shading. Right, now come to the question number 2. 0 1 2 3 so on is the set of dash numbers. You know very well, so write it down the answer over here. Now the set 2 3 5 7 11 is called dash. You know very well, 2 3 5. Now students, you can see this diagram shows, now see the diagram, A minus B. So you can see shading in the set A, so it means that A minus B. Now question number 5, draw a Venn diagram to show the intersection of two sets. So here you have to make a diagram of intersection of two sets. Question number 6, this symbol means, this symbol, you know the meaning of this symbol. This is a symbol of intersection. Write in tabular form the set of first 4 multiples of 4. Tabular form means we have to write it down in brackets, in numbers, right? So first 4 multiple, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 12, 4 times 4 16, and we have to write down just first 4 multiples of 4, right? Each object in a set is write in tabular form. Set A is equals to the set of the first 5 odd numbers. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, then 13. But here we have to write it down just first 5. Right? Now question number 10. Write in tabular form set A is equals to the set of the first 5 even numbers. Now students, here you have to write it down, the set of first 5 even numbers. Okay, I hope you are clear. Now students, do it in your mental maths book. Thank you.